In this video, we will show you how to use the break apart feature to break a text into individual letters. Let's start from this text object. If you choose the text tool, you can see that it's still a text object. You can edit the text and use the rest of the options. Now, if you select the text object, right-click and select Break Apart, the text is separated. Break Apart creates an individual shape for each letter. See, all letters are now separate items. So this is no longer a text object, meaning that you can't go back and edit it as a text object. The only way to go back is if you undo the Break Apart operation. There are many reasons why you may want to break a text object into individual artwork segments. The main reason is that you can now transform and shape its letter separately and create whatever special design you like.